Hello students. Today's topic is types of quadrilateral. Before starting that, we'll recall some definitions. What is the definition of congruent? Congruent nothing but equal, right? If two geometrical figures having same shape and size are congruent figures. What is the definition of parallel? Parallel means two straight lines are never meet when we extend infinitely, right? What is a right angle? An angle measure is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Yes, the words congruent, parallel and right angle often will use in geometry. Classifying quadrilaterals. Before that, we should know what is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed two-dimensional figure with four sides that are line segments. The sum of all the angle is 360 degree. Look at these figures. All are quadrilateral because they are bounded by four line segments and they are having four angles. The sum of all the angles, each figures we are having four angles. So sum of all the four angle is 360 degree. What is a parallelogram? Yeah, now we are introducing first type of quadrilateral. Yeah, parallelogram is a quadrilateral because it has four sides. Opposite sides congruent means opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Yes. A quadrilateral which is having opposite sides are equal and parallel is called a parallelogram. Yes. See, look at this quadrilateral. All the three are parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Next type is rectangle. Yeah, it is familiar to you know. What is a rectangle? It is also quadrilateral because having four sides. Parallelogram. It is one type of parallelogram. It is belongs to parallelogram family. Got it? Yeah. Opposite sides are parallel. All angles are right angles which equals 90 degree. Yeah, you know that. In rectangle, each angle measure is 90 degree. Got it? Now, what is the special thing in rectangle? It is one type of parallelogram because like parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Rectangle also the same property we are having. Yeah, look at these figures. These two are rectangle. What is a rhombus? Next, third type. It is also a quadrilateral having four sides. It is also belongs to parallelogram family. Yeah, because in that also opposite sides are parallel. Four congruent sides. What is the meaning? Yeah, four sides are equal. See, it is a rhombus shape in that all four sides are equal at the same time they are parallel. What is a square? It is also quadrilateral having four sides. It is also belongs to parallelogram family because in which opposite sides are parallel. And it is a type of rectangle also because in rectangle all four angles measures is 90 degree, right? So four right angles it is having. Similarly square also having four right angles. Rhombus, four sides are congruent. So can say as square is a rhombus, square is a rectangle, square is a parallelogram, square is a quadrilateral. Got it? Yeah. Generally what we know till now, square in which all four sides are equal and each angle measure is 90 degree. Till now you knew that, but now you should know square is a parallelogram, rectangle and rhombus. Yes. the shape of square. Next, what is a trapezoid? Yeah, we learnt in the name of trapezium. Yeah, here it is named as trapezoid. It is also quadrilateral having four sides. Exactly one pair of parallel sides. Look at this figure. Trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. See, another one shape of trapezoid. Yeah, what is the isosceles trapezium? It is belongs to trapezoid family. What is the difference between trapezoid and isosceles trapezoid? Yeah, quadrilateral, so four sides. Exactly one pair of parallel sides similar to trapezoid, but one pair of non-parallel sides that are congruent. Yes. See, look at this. We are having one pair of parallel sides, but another one pair are non-parallel. They are equal. A trapezoid which has non-parallel sides are equal, so it has special name. What is that? Isosceles trapezoid. Another one is there. What is a right trapezoid? Yes. First two properties are similar, but has two angles that equal 90 degree. See, in this figure, two angles are 90 degree. Yes. Next type. What is a kite? Quadrilateral. It has four sides. Has two pair of adjacent sides of equal length. Till now, we learnt opposite sides are equal, but only in kite, adjacent sides are equal. None of its angles are more than 180 degree. Okay, in kite, angle measure should be less than 180 degree, not more than 180 degree. Yes. Let's see quadrilateral family tree. This family tree shows how the quadrilateral are related. Yes. Look at the family tree. Quadrilateral main parts kite, parallelogram and trapezoid. Parallelogram family, the three quadrilateral, they are rectangle, square and rhombus. Right trapezoid and isosceles trapezoid belongs to trapezoid family. Now, answer for my question. What are all of the names for this polygon? What are the names we can give for this polygon? Yes, quadrilateral, parallelogram and rectangle. Yeah, the three names match to this polygon. But which name best describes the shape? It looks like which shape among these three? Yes, rectangle. Good. Next question. What are all of the names for this polygon? Quadrilateral and parallelogram. Yes. Which name best describes the shape? Yes, parallelogram. Next question. What are all of the names for this polygon? Quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus. Which name best describes the shape? Yes, rhombus. This question, what are all of the names for this polygon? Quadrilateral, trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid. Right? Which name best describes the shape? Yes, isosceles trapezium. In that, non-parallel sides are equal. That arrow mark represents parallel sides. Remaining two sides are non-parallel. They are equal. So, it is called isosceles trapezoid. Next question. What are the names for this polygon? quadrilateral, parallelogram, square, rhombus, and rectangle. Which name best describes the shape? Yes, it is square. Yeah, now a riddle for you. Can you identify the shape from its properties? I am a quadrilateral. I have two pair of adjacent sides of equal length. Yeah, it is very important. Two adjacent sides of equal length. None of interior angles are more than 180 degree. Yes, who I am? Can you guess the shape? Yes, the shape is a kite. Next riddle for you. Can you identify the shape from its properties? It is a quadrilateral. It has one pair of parallel sides. One pair of parallel opposite non-parallel sides are the same length. Yes, the shape is an isosceles trapezoid. Yeah, till now we learnt the type of quadrilaterals and its properties. Go through it.
Don't write anything from this. Tomorrow I will give each figure's properties. Yes, thank you.